Hi, my name is Catherine Rosasco Mitchell, and I want to introduce a video of the 6 body to brain strategies I discovered from a movement class that I taught. I'm not a neuroscientist, but neuroscientist Wolbert says the brain evolved to control movement. Clark, Schumann, and Mostovsky says movement cultivates perception, mental skills, and memory. And Grossberg talks about how movement process provides information to stabilize perceptual processes. I'm not a scientist, but I'm a Feldenkrais practitioner, and I've been practicing for almost 40 years and looking at how movement patterns and perception are related, especially in chronic conditions such as physical or cognitive, and made a scientific discovery that I didn't know was already out there in research. I discovered it from a different angle. I discovered it from movement, not from science. And this serendipitous discovery showed me this amazing connection, especially in children, between movement and cognitive disorders. And I ran a program for 13 years in elementary schools with over 500 children that participated. And the organization of those children's behavioral patterns, when they were re-educated and changed, they did develop a clearer sense of cognitive skills, such as listening and attention. But instead of controlling movement, I taught the awareness of embodiment in movement, through a physical education program I called Wellness Through Movement. And within those movement classes, we re-educated motor patterns while teaching embodiment. The principal at the elementary school of our pilot school, we were there for 6 years, he said that learning and behavior improved school-wide. The strategies that we used in those programs are these 6 strategies that are in the video, body to brain strategies. The first 5 are very easy to learn and simple to implement. The 5th strategy is a little bit more complex because it uses movement to re-educate motor patterns. But I want to step back into maybe the sense of embodiment is what's missing from research in movement and cognition. Neuroscientists Urson, Holmes, and Passinger found that even normal functioning people could not identify a fake body part from the real body part. In children, this is foundational because children think and feel through a sensation of their body. Cognition isn't yet developed, and their understanding of the world around them is a whole body experience. I hope you take time to look at the strategies, maybe one at a time, and see if you can imagine experiencing what the strategy is saying, because I can only circle around the strategy to help you really understand what they're saying. They teach through participatory actions and not through just telling you what the strategies are. I hope that your movement teachers in elementary schools and researchers may be curious about these strategies and help these children implement the strategies to get a total different perspective on how to use movement besides mechanical actions. I want to thank Principal Garcia from Kohala Elementary and the whole Kohala community, the 5 schools that I went through. And I thank you for listening, and please subscribe and log into this video. Get the 6 body to brain strategies. There is also another video called Get Sensational Attention that's a school-wide program that you can also log into that is explains more about Strategy 3. Thank you for listening. Aloha.